And I kid you not, these are the things that nobody's gonna tell you. But I got your back. I got your back. Not an advice from a guide, more like a friend who has already lived it. Okay, so whenever people think about Dubai, the first thing or the image that comes to everybody's mind is luxury, skyline, fancy restaurants, brunches, apartments with Burj Khalifa view. And I'm not denying any of it because Dubai is beautiful. It has given opportunities to a lot of people. Moving to Dubai is not just changing a city, it's about building a new version of yourself in a place where you know nobody and where even simple things feel new. So, if you're planning to move here or if you already live here, these are something I wish someone told me before I started my journey. Hi everyone, I am Arpita and I have taken the responsibility of showing you all not just the shiny version but the real side of Dubai. So, in today's video, I am going to talk about the things that I wish I knew earlier before I moved here. Okay, let's dive in. See, Dubai is expensive, there is no doubt about it, but the real challenge is learning your new lifestyle. The first thing nobody tells you is that Dubai is not going to change your life overnight. Like the online version that you see is not the reality. Because when you're outside looking in, Dubai is just like a magical place where everyone is like living this dream life. But let me tell you, when you come here, when you land here, you realize that everybody has a different version of Dubai for themselves. Some people are, of course, enjoying their luxury life, but on the other hand, some people are doing two jobs also. And some people are saving every dirham because they come with a bigger goal. And I think that's the most important thing if you come here. Don't try to live somebody else's life in Dubai. Your first few months should be about exploring what kind of life you want to live and what are your priorities. Like, why did you come here in first place? Because you know what, it's so easy in Dubai to feel that you're so much behind if you try to compare your life with someone else's highlight reel. I would suggest don't set your expectations of Dubai based on what you see online. And I'm talking about the luxury. Build your own life here, build your own luxury. Luxury could be different for different people. So set your own bar, set your own priorities, and then you can create your own version of Dubai for yourself. Second thing, nobody talks about the emotional side of starting over. I believe that this is the biggest thing that people underestimate. When you're moving, you always talk about the house, the salaries, the opportunities, but you tend to ignore the part about the feelings you might have when you move and start from zero. Because when you're weighing all these things, you're so excited to be going to a new country, to settling up, to earn more, but you put the feelings, the emotion at very last. But it turns around the moment you come here. Feelings and the emotion just come to the top. And then you have to eventually address those emotions. Because you can be surrounded by a lot of people and still miss home. You can have a really good day, but suddenly you miss your family because you saw something that reminded you of your home. Because you are learning everything from the scratch, the new routines, roads, systems. And because of this, the first few months can feel both exciting and overwhelming at the same time. You'll be happy because you're starting something new, but somewhere inside, you're also grieving the comfort of the life that you left behind. I would suggest that while you are moving, just address all those emotions because when once you come here and then you're addressing, mm-mm-mm, keep addressing those emotions while you are transitioning. The most important thing that I usually talk about on Instagram is that making friends in Dubai is beautiful, but it takes effort. One thing I like the most about Dubai is that you meet people from everywhere, every corner of the world. You can literally sit in a room and hear five different languages and stories from people who came here and have different dreams. But the funny thing about Dubai is, and the sad thing, that everybody is busy. Everyone is working, everybody's building, everybody's trying to just figure something out. Because as you know, Dubai is city of opportunities. Everybody here is trying to grab one or two. So friendships don't always happen like they did back at home when you met someone at school or college and then you became close. Here, you have to choose your people, and most importantly, you have to put yourself out there. If you are always at home and you're expecting that friendship will come knock your door, it won't happen. But when you do find your people here, it's magical. It's more than amazing because everyone away from home is trying to build a little home here. Don't fall in love with the Instagram Dubai without learning about the real Dubai. I've, of course, taken the responsibility of showing everybody the real side of Dubai. So you don't have to worry about that. I'm here. But of course, this is something I wish more people understood. Social media shows you the easiest part about Dubai to love: the sunsets, the restaurants, the apartments, the magical views. But real Dubai is also about waking up early, going out for work, sitting in traffic, paying bills, figuring it all out, having a bad day, missing home, all these things together all at once. And honestly, that's what makes it real. Because the city is not just the beautiful places you visit, it's the life that you build inside it. Luxury, of course, looks appealing to the eyes, but when you look beyond that, real life is happening there. Instagram Dubai is good, of course, and everybody wants to achieve that. But before that, we have to go through the real Dubai life. Okay, so the last one is learn about the practical things because they become your everyday life. Like the most boring things, but they become the most important thing in your life here. Number one, visa. Your visa is basically the first step of building your life here. Nobody likes the paperwork, nobody wants to deal with that. But if you understand your visa situation before moving here, it saves you from a lot of stress. Number two, accommodation. Your home in Dubai affects literally everything: your mood, your routine, your commute. And sometimes people come here looking for a perfect house, but I must tell you that perfect life doesn't just come from the perfect house. Sometimes your first room, your shared apartment, or a small place might be something where your Dubai story begins. And the most funny thing, number three, transportation. Some places which might look very closer on Google Map might take your entire evening. Dubai is funny that way. So your location matters, your daily travel matters, because commute becomes a part of your daily life. Number four, mandatory healthcare insurance. Healthcare is something that you don't think about until you need it. Here it's mandatory, so you are going to have it, and it's for the best. Number five, rules and culture. Dubai is home to a lot of people from different countries, but it also has its local rules and cultures. And I think one should follow those rules and respect the culture because the better you know about the rules and culture of a place you're living in, the easier it becomes to feel like you belong. That's all for this video. I feel that moving to Dubai is not just a change of city, it changes you for sure. You become independent, you learn patience, you learn to create a life in a place where you will find nothing familiar. Dubai is not perfect, no place can be. But if you come here with realistic expectations, open mind, and willingness to build, it can definitely be a place for you to thrive. And trust me, it can become a very special chapter of your life. Thank you for watching. I'm on a mission to uncover the real side of Dubai. So if you like my videos, do subscribe as I am going to put videos every single day till 18th of July. I hope you like this and see you in my next video.